Hey folks, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a brand new, in-stock 2026 Harris Sunliner 250. This boat is in the ceramic white with the new titanium metallic accent that you see here. It's got the upgraded power bimini top up top, as well as a 250 V8 Verado out back. This is a great boat for the whole family. Lots of flexible space to enjoy and hang out on the water. It's got lots of amazing features. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Climbing inside, this boat is loaded with optional upgrades. Starting here on the port side transom, we've got the in-water swim seat that's available on all of the Harris model lineup. Really nice entertainment space. We've got the ski tow bar here as well. This is 1,000 pound rated for tubes, skiers, and all kinds of other water sports. That 250 V8 Verado out back, it's an amazing power plant for this boat. And last but not least, a very popular upgrade you're seeing on a lot of these new tri-tunes. It's gonna be the Lily Pad Easy Step Ladder. It's a must-have on the water for sure. Stepping inside the boat, you got a couple other notable features as we walk up. Really functional layout on this boat. So this is the new SLE layout. This lounger section in the back is very similar to what we've been used to with a couple upgrades for the Sunliner. You're gonna have a stereo remote back there, as well as a plug-in for your battery charger, some aft-facing speakers. You've got full RGB lighting throughout the whole boat. Again, you've got this multi-position seat back that we're familiar with on the SL and SLDH layouts on this boat, with some storage underneath. And new for Sunliner, our favorite exciting upgrade here is this new SLE layout that's going to come with the table that you see here, as well as this forward seating area. Table flips up on a leaf here, locks into place, and it's a really nice place to hang out. It's very comfortable to sit around the table here. Got cup holders over there. There's some storage underneath the table. And then of course this forward seating area gives you 2 additional seats for forward facing. Really functional layout. We are really impressed and very excited about the functionality of this. Over at the helm, it's a similar helm to what you're seeing on the other Sunliner models here. Raised helm is an option on Sunliner now. Wet Sounds audio as standard. It's got the Simrad 9-inch screen in the middle. That is the upgrade. You've got all your RGB controls over here, things for your bimini top as well, and that digital throttle and shift for that 250 V8. Also got a wireless phone charger slot here at the helm for your captain. Another notable feature on the Sunliner is this redesigned storage center here. Got a nice top storage in here, second pop-out drawer there, and then of course the slider on the bottom. Also dedicated shoe storage underneath. One more thing I'll point out while we're over here is this really nice and wide boarding door here on the port side. Really nice wide way to get in and out of the boat. It's very robust hardware as well, and super sturdy when locked in place. Center ski locker that we all know and love on these Harris pontoons. It's the largest in the industry. We've got the cover in here at the moment, but there's plenty of room for life jackets, fenders, and things like that. You're also gonna have under console storage on this Sunliner. Very popular from the earlier Harris models. Excited to see it coming back here on this model. On the subject of storage, plenty more under these front seats, of course. This all has drains throughout as well. Cup holders and USB chargers up front. And then 2 new features you want to see here on the Sunliner. You've got your seat backs up forward that flip up, give you a little additional storage in the bow. We're also going to have the new clear bow gate here that's an option on the majority of the model line now. It's really well done. We love this new Sunliner. We're excited to have this one in stock. If you have any questions on this boat or any others like it, give us a call. Check us out at MarineMax.com or stop by today. Thanks for watching.